Here I have ALCATEL Pixi 4 and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation on this device by using a reset code, the hidden menu. So at the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's tap the phone's icon, let's activate keypad and let's use the following secret code: *#28886#. As you can see, ALCATEL phone test mode just pops up. You can perform here a test of your hardware, for example the auto test or manual. Let's tap manual in my case. Here you've got the list of features that you can test, but let's scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose factory reset. And now the device is performing the factory reset. The phone is erasing all personal stuff and customized settings. So let's just be patient and wait until the device will erase and format all data. The whole operation should take a while, so do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see, the welcome panel just pops up on the screen, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. Now you may start easily activate your device. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.